Cosmetics rank in the top 5 fake items produced worldwide, according to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. And with the growth of e commerce and social media, it is easier than ever for counterfeiters to market their fake products to consumers. Counterfeiters copy the packaging of popular branded products to dupe customers into buying their fake, substandard, or bad quality products by selling them at cheaper than originals. But there are simple ways to distinguish original from counterfeit cosmetic products. Sellers of counterfeit cosmetics try to dupe the customer by giving attractive discounts and deals. Don't fall for deals and false marketing gimmicks such as being imported, offering huge discounts, new in the market, etc. etc. The moment you hear that, you know what you have to do. Most countries have clear acts and guidelines that define misbranded cosmetics and spurious cosmetics. Most counterfeiters cheat people by using harmful, unauthorized ingredients. These products do not conform to prescribed colors or label information. Additionally, most of these fake cosmetics carry brand names of well known brands or imitate their designs and label with often misspelled names. The most alarming concern of such fake cosmetics is the harm that they cause to the health of the consumers. There are multiple examples of cases where people have suffered irreversible health damage after using fake cosmetics. Unfortunately, due to a lack of consumer knowledge and insight, many purchase these counterfeit goods completely unaware of their lack of authenticity. Consumers usually believe they have found cosmetic products on fire sale and jump at the chance of purchasing the product up to 50% below its recommended retail price. The cost of the health risks that come with purchasing fake makeup is never worth the money saved. Purchase products from authorized retailers. Visit each brand's website for a listing of the retailers that you can trust. Here are a list of things you can do to avoid buying fake cosmetics online. Report encounters with counterfeit products directly to the manufacturer. Trust your instincts. If an offer looks too good to be true, then it probably isn't. Legitimate designer items are rarely discounted. Check the spelling and grammar on the website and of the URL. Look to see where the trader is based and whether they provide a postal address. Only deal with reputable sellers. Only use websites you know or ones that have been recommended to you. If you have not bought from the seller before, do your research and check online reviews. Ensure the website address begins with HTTPS at the payment stage. This indicates a secure payment. Keep security software and firewalls up to date. Regularly update your internet browser when a new patch security update is released. Do not access links in unsolicited emails. Fraudsters will design these along with websites to look genuine to trick victims into entering personal information when in fact they are fraudulent. Ask the trader if there is a returns policy or guarantee. Most rogue traders will not offer these. If you are not sure whether the items are genuine, do not enter your payment details. It is not worth the risk. Watch out for pop ups appearing asking you to confirm your card details before you are on the payment stage. Never enter your PIN online. How brands can protect themselves against counterfeiting. Register your intellectual property. Use e-commerce's free anti-counterfeit tools. A good example is Amazon Brand Registry. It is a program for brands to tell Amazon more about their products and IP. This program helps both brands and Amazon protect against trademark abuses and generally supports the platform to learn more about the brands it is working with. Use state-of-the-art technology. For example, Aquis.com. Aquis is a multi layered patented technology that uses multiple random and unique signatures. Our authenticity verification markers are layered with multiple overt and covert elements, ranging from non clonable labels, unique randomized serial numbers, along with many hidden markers which are not visible to the naked eye. Our customized formats and cleverly designed covert markers are 100% counterfeit proof, making it impossible for even Aquis to regenerate these fingerprints. Educate your customers. As counterfeiters are becoming increasingly sophisticated in their approach, it's important to educate consumers against fraudulent products while taking steps to protect your products in the online marketplace. Thank you.